everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can do voiceover on Instagram. First step, as usual, open your Instagram account and make sure that you are logged in. Now, to do a voiceover here in Instagram, what you have to do is post a story by swiping your screen to the left. Once you're directed to this page, make sure to turn the story option into reel by pressing the reel button at the bottom part of your screen. You'll see here that I shifted from story to reel. Once you've pressed reel, you'll see here a panel with different options such as music, filters, and so on. And for you to start creating voiceovers, what you have to do first is take a video or upload a video. As you can see at the top part of your screen, you have a 30-second limit of the videos that you will take. Now, press the music icon at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see at the top panel the option to create a voiceover. Here, you can select a certain part of the video that you just took where you want to create a voiceover, and for you to start creating the voiceover, just press the play button at the center part of your screen. You can also easily discard and re-record voiceovers and keep on recording until you get the perfect voiceover for your reel. Once you're done recording the voiceover, you can continue editing your reel or your post by adding more stickers or adding more filters. And what you can also do is edit the volume of both your camera, audio, and voiceover to get the perfect mix and match of your video and voiceover. And that's all for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.